Okay then. Okay then. Okay then.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be mixing my own custom powder detergents. I decided to change up my laundry game because I was tired of not seeing any suds in my in my cycle. I'm like, where's the suds at? Like, I'm using Tide, I'm using Arm & Hammer, there's no suds. Where are the suds? And so I was like, maybe I should give powder detergents a try. I've never tried any powder detergent, so I'm very excited because I've been doing some research and I've been researching Spanish detergents because, okay, hold on. I know y'all said Spanish detergents. Yes, I was looking up Spanish detergents because listen, anytime that I've ever stepped foot in a laundromat and I've seen Hispanic people doing their laundry, I was so amazed at how much suds they had up in their actual cycle. So I'm like, how can I get that up in here? How can I get the suds that they produce in them laundromats with whatever they, mixing up in here? When I found this Mexican supermarket, let me tell you, child, they had a whole Mexican mall up in there. I was like, what? I could not believe it was a Mexican mall in Georgia, in Atlanta, a Mexican mall. Oh my gosh. Okay, was it Atlanta? Would you say that's Atlanta? Okay, it might have been a little bit. It was northern Georgia, okay? It was northern Atlanta. And I was in a whole nother world. Like, I was in a whole different world. I could not believe it. They had Mexican desserts, Mexican ice cream, Mexican cakes. They had Mexican clothes, Mexican cowboy boots. They had everything up in there. I could not believe that I've never seen this place. But anyways, I was so happy because right next to the Mexican mall was the Mexican supermarket, and I was able to get all of my laundry detergent needs that I really feel is gonna make it super sudsy and super good and clean. And I'm gonna start with these. These are the Zote soaps, Zote blue and Zote pink. I got the Zote soaps. These are actually soap bars that I'm gonna peel, and it's gonna make a nice little mix up in there. Next, I have this open, so I'm gonna try to be careful. This is the Ariel Brighter color. This is supposedly a really good favorite. This is also a favorite, but I feel like people that I've researched prefer this one over this one. But this one is called Roma, and Roma is super good as well. I got a little version of this, so this is the smallest, this is the next, and then I have this fabric softener, which people were saying to get the yellow version. The yellow version was a little bit too strong for me, so I was like, eh. Then they said get the blue version if you don't want the yellow. The blue was like, eh. It was okay. The blue was alright. The yellow was too strong. That scent was out of this world. Blue was okay, but this purple version was definitely me. It was definitely what I wanted. Also, I had some Gain fabric softener already here in my home, so I'm gonna also mix this up. This is the fabric softener beads, so I'm gonna mix that up in as well. And then I went to Target, and I got me OxyClean. I know I told y'all this was the blue one. I didn't read that it said Blanco. Blanco means white. I was just assuming because the label was blue, it was gonna be the blue one. I really wanted the blue one. This is the white one, Blanco. But I did get the pink one as well. The pink one, you see, the pink one says pink. Now, why do y'all have English for the pink one and then Spanish for the white one? It doesn't make any difference because I should have just read that it said Blanco, but whatever. So I peeled it all with my knife, and this is what it's looking like. Oh wait. All right, so I crushed it up, sliced it up, very thin slices, and now we're gonna go in with some powder This is the Ariel powder. Let's do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it, do it. Oh, it's purple. That's so cute. I'm just gonna mix it while it's, you know, going in. Supposedly with the bar soaps detergents, there's no difference. They say that the white one whitens a little bit more than the pink one, but I don't know how true that is because everyone's saying it's no difference. It's just the color. It's just different colors, but I don't know. We're gonna see though. We're definitely gonna see. I'm just not gonna put my blacks with it yet. I'm gonna wait to do a load with just regular colors first and see if it lightens anything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. So I'm gonna save a little bit of that OxyClean on the side just in case it does lighten. But I don't think it's gonna do that. I don't think so at all. Oh, this is so cute and fun. Oh my god, this feels so good. I feel like I'm doing like some grade school or daycare or after school type of activity. This feels like, you know that place, the sand place? This is what this feels like. I'm at the sand place. Can y'all see that? Let me come closer. I don't think y'all can see. This is so cute. It's like a lavender. It's like a lavender color. It's so nice and adorable. Okay, so next we're gonna put in the, where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. The Roma. I should have got a bigger bag for Roma, but I wasn't sure what I was gonna do yet. I didn't think I was gonna make this. Roma smells good. The Zoats, they didn't smell that good. They just smelled like bar soap, like plain bar soap. That's what the Zoats smell like. Oh, I didn't even smell the Ariel smells okay, but the Roma smells really good. Roma smells super good. Ariel smells good too, but Roma smells really, really good. Now I'm gonna mix that up in there. This looks so cute. Now I'm going to add the fabric softener. This is the Gain. Wow. Of course the Gain is purple too. This is so purpley, pinkish. Gee, it's so cute. And of course that Gain smells. That Gain smells. Child. That Gain smells so good. Mix that around. And I got a glove on, y'all. You don't have to have a glove on, but you know, I just wanted to. This looks so cute, y'all. All right, now. Oh, something dropped. Come on now. I can't be wasting that. We ain't wasteful over here. We ain't wasteful over here. Thank you. It comes with a scooper because I definitely didn't have one. I was gonna use the top of a liquid detergent. Boom! So we got our scooper. Let's smell what the OxyClean smells like. It don't smell like anything. I really don't smell anything. Okay. It says safe on colors, so it's the green one. Hopefully. I'm messing up my colors, man. I don't know if I want to like put all of it in. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like halfway, a little under halfway. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see for real. Also, I got this container from Wally World. Y'all know what Wally World is. This is an 11.4 liter container. And it was $6. Alright, so supposedly all I'm gonna need is a cat fill. But I don't know. I think that's a lot. And then I'm also add the liquid softener in as well. It's time to see if this powder is going to work and make my laundry as sudsy as I really want it to be. I'm gonna start with these are my dang, what is it called? Oh, those are my bed sheets right now. Bed sheets and a little comforter I've been using it. But I'm about to switch my comforter, so I'm just washing it to put it in storage. Do I want to use those same sheets? Yeah, I want those same sheets. So I'm gonna go in with one full cup of this laundry detergent. Sprinkle it all around. But since it's like my sheets, I'm thinking, should I even like maybe do another I'm gonna do half. All right, so I went in with a cup and a half because it's the bed sheets. For my clothes, I'm just gonna do a cup unless I see this too sudsy. Now should I pour it? I'm gonna pour the softener inside. I lied. I'm not gonna pour it inside. I just eyeballed it. We'll see. Yes, sir. OMG! It worked! It worked, man! It worked! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It worked. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I have sexy laundry. Oh shoot, what's going on here? Okay. I'm gonna smell these clothes. Y'all seen the suds. I know y'all seen the suds. They didn't come right away. I think it's because I should have just added it in the top portion, which is gonna push the detergent with the water. But I like putting my detergent in the wash. It just makes me feel a little better. You know what I mean? So let's see what we got here. It smells good. It smells like the Zope soap. It definitely smells like that Zope soap. The Zope has a very distinct smell, and it smells like that. It's not bad. It's just it smells like the soap, the bar of soap. It smells good. It smells clean. I know that. This is the just regular Arm & Hammer Essentials. It smells delicious. It's Mountain Rain. And I'm gonna put 3 of them because it's a heavier load. Not a heavy load, but it's my sheets and my comforter. Here's the real finale because this is actually gonna be dried clothes and I can really get a smell for it. All right. Ooh, whatever. Okay. And it don't even smell like that Zote anymore. It smells good. This smells really good and it's soft. It smells good. It smells really good. I got an A1 detergent. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh man. Oh, this is good.